Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix network error in Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to check is your Wi-Fi. Restart your router and see if the problem is resolved. After restarting your connection, in the search bar on your computer, type Task Manager. Here, find Google Chrome and close it completely. After that, reopen it and try loading something to see if the error is resolved. If the problem still persists, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Delete Browsing Data. It will open Privacy and Security in Settings. For the time range, select the time where you started having network problems in Chrome. Now click Delete Data. If clearing cache and cookies doesn't work for you, go to Extensions. Here, disable all your extensions and try loading something in Chrome. If it starts working, re-enable your extensions one by one to find the culprit. Also bear in mind that if you're using a VPN extension, it can interfere with Chrome. If the problem is not from any of your extensions, go back to Settings. Here, go to Reset Settings and click Restore Settings to their original default. Here, click Reset Settings. Now go to About Chrome to check for updates. If there are any updates available, Chrome will start updating it once you open this tab. After updating Google Chrome, it will show you a relaunch button to complete the process. If all the previous steps don't work for you, in the search bar on your computer, type Network. Click on Change Adapter Options. Here, right-click on your connection and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to Properties. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now click OK and see if Chrome is working properly now. And those are some easy steps you can take to fix network error in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.